If you had 5 shiny coins right now, would you buy a robot? Save for a scooter? Or share with a friend? Money isn't just something you spend. It's a superpower that lets you choose. Let's find out how to be money smart and grow our own treasure. So why do we use money instead of just trading everything? Instead of trying to find someone who wants your old drawing and has the toy you want, you can just use money. But it makes things super simple. Money helps us get important things like yummy food to eat, warm clothes to wear, and a safe place to live. These are called needs. But money also helps us get fun things, like new toys, a trip to the ice cream shop, or tickets to see a fun show. These are called wants. It's important to know the difference between needs and wants when we're thinking about how to use our money. You can save your money. Instead of spending it all at once, you can put it aside in a special place, like a piggy bank or high-yield bank, until you have enough to buy that really big thing you want. It's like collecting little treasures until you have enough for a big treasure. And just like you use tools carefully, it's good to be careful with your money too. Asking grown-ups for help with money is always a great idea. Think of money like a tool. Just like a hammer helps you build things, money helps you get the things you need and want. You can use money to spend it on something you need or want, save it for later, or share it with others to help out. Now it's your turn, future millionaires. Grab an empty jar, cup, or box. Decorate it with stickers, glitter, drawings. Go wild. Give it a name. Eunice Bucks, Robot Fund, Ice Cream Jar, or something silly. Start saving your coins inside and watch it grow. Bye, future millionaires.